Ke Sorkar Jela Lingbau Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad Kies Sangma haka khan riu terik risau arja arpusan kala penlong ya ke jengalang bat ki Nonghikai SSA banyak kran halor ki mat jingdawa jangki ki belan ne menta labun bun snam. Hagani ke jengalang nalor Menteri Rangba ke Jela la ya lang ru dau bat lakmen rumbui Menteri berikmi ya ketanat puli puthi ki Nonghikai bekentop na ke Meghalaya SSA School Association MSSASA ki Nonghikai ke Meghalaya Food Teachers Association nalor kiwe. Habakran sigilat pathai khubor na kalyang uba Aristotle Rimbai u president ke MSSASA ulaong bakajialang kala long ke basaiso hakaba na kalyang Menteri Rangba ke Jela ula kular baka Sorkar kan yadaya ke kam ki Nonghikai SSA bat kumjuru hakaba yadai baka jingdawa kan tiu tulop jongki na kalyang ke Sorkar kala Pynkhreh ya ke pay structure na ke benta ki Nonghikai SSA.
Honorable Chief Minister, ilakran na basyay ba the government will protect the right of the SSA teachers in the entire state of Meghalaya. Kumba pitip ba ka SSA kan sakut no ka funding by 31st March 2026. So we are very happy today that the Honorable Chief Minister have made it very clear ba ka Sorkar kan yada but can protect ya ka service jong baro Nonghikai SSA. Hakabay day bat kan ka pay enhancement mo kabang dawa baro sikata. The Honorable Chief Minister ilakran na basyay ba the government will come up with a pay structure for all the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya, including the fourth teachers. So to say, today meeting, we from the association, we are very satisfied with today's meeting. And regarding the details, what we have discussed, we will disclose in the general meeting, which we will call once we receive the minutes of today's meeting. We, the SSA teachers, in the state of Meghalaya under the banner of Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body, the All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association Central Body and the All Meghalaya Fourth Teachers Association. Today meeting, the Honorable Chief Minister Sir Konrad Kies chaired the meeting in the presence of our Honorable Education Minister Sir Lakmen Rumbui in the presence of the official of the Education Department. So I would like to inform all the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya that today's meeting is a very positive meeting. We had a detailed discussion, especially in two key agendas. That number one is taking over of SSA school, or we can say that the government to protect the job security of SSA teachers, and number two, the pay enhancement in the form of pay structure. So the Honorable Chief Minister have made it very clear today that the government will protect the service of all the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya. As you are aware that the SSA will be ended by 31st of March 2026. So we are very thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister, to the Honorable Education Minister, that they have made it very clear that the government will protect the service of the SSA teachers as far as our state of Meghalaya is concerned. Number two, regarding the pay enhancement, the Honorable Chief Minister has made it very clear that the pay enhancement of SSA teachers will be in the form of pay scale structure. So the details of today's meeting we will share with all the SSA teachers in a general meeting which we will call very soon. Once we receive the minutes of today's meeting, we will call the general meeting of all the SSA teachers in the entire state of Meghalaya, and we will highlight the discussion of today's meeting in front of all the SSA teachers. Yeah, so far from the community school, 3,334 schools have given the willingness of hand over the SSA school to the government. And from community school, from the private aided school, which include the minority school also, 298 schools. So in total, 3,332 schools have submitted their willingness of hand over the management for SSA to the government.
Now, with regards to this pay division, what will be the total financial requirement for this?
Yeah, regarding that, we have to wait for the minutes. So once we receive the minutes, we will share everything that in the details. Okay.
Nakaliang ba Frederick Lingdo unoy lam ka Meghalaya Food Teachers Association ula ay kublaya ka Sorkar halor kini kisin jam.
On behalf of all Meghalaya Food Teachers Associations, today we had a meeting together with the along with the other 4 associations, which was chaired by our Honorable Chief Minister himself. The meeting was successful, and we were very happy as 4 teachers together as a whole, and that we have got also the assurance that our Chief Minister himself, that the government has promised us to give us a structure, a pay system which will be for everybody. And the only thing is that our Chief Minister himself was taking this decision boldly, because this pending issue of the teachers for so many years, our Chief Minister has wants that to end it once and for all. So this is what the good results, and that for all teachers, for the benefits of all teachers, and at the same time for teachers, he has promised us that salary disbursement of the salary also will be given to the personal account and equal with everybody in the state as teachers. So only this we would like to share and thank the government for taking this initiative for the good, for the benefits of all teachers, because Chief Minister himself said that he does not want the teachers to suffer and the students also to suffer.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kishab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha kajing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.